tagal-tagal ng political dynasty. Nagsimula kay bayan muna, nagsimula kayo dyan.
Based on experience,
Yes.
walang patutunguhan ito.
Oh my God! Oh my God! How cynical!
Unless magwala ang mamamayan, probably we can surround Congress, probably we can barricade the Senate, hanggang ipasa nila yan. But
Huwag naman.
we've done all this in the past. Sinubukan na natin ito. Kasi, yung
Yun nga, sinubukan na nyo, nagrari-lari, wala effect eh.
Kaya nga, yung self-interest kasi ng mga dynasty sa House ang pinag-uusapan dito. So unless sasamahan ito ng
Malawakang.
direct actions by the people, Congress itself, well, they can probably pass some sort of a mongrel na anti-dynasty bill na maraming butas. Pero ang susi dito, how do we mobilize our people to pressure Congress to actually pass one?
Oh, pero ang bayan muna experience, up to what Congress na lang kayo
Ang experience namin dyan, walang congressman nagsasabing ayaw.
Yes.
Walang senador magsasabing ayaw,
Yes.
pero hindi gumagalaw.
Yes.
So I don't know, this time, kasi speaker na mismo ang nagsabi and then president said it's a priority.
Yes.
We'll see. Pero ako, malaki ang duda ko. Kasi, it hits right at the heart of the problem na ang Kongreso mismo ang balon ng mga political dynasty.